was what I was telling you. In the forex market, what you look out for is opportunity. You don't trade every day, okay? And you also pay attention to analysis.
Wait, sorry. Oga, see no man, stop. See this, my friend. Where you see so? This guy said he trade for
He shop. probabafx shop for you.
Forex traders.
Hey, up and out. I know this man, I'm not happy this morning. Guys, see now, I wake up this morning, I can't all below.
What a catastrophe! Young man, did I hear you say you blew your account? My name is Oga Forex and I teach people how to trade forex. Come here, let me educate you.
Look at my account. Look at it now. I blew my account now.
What's your account size?
$100.
Did you use stop loss?
Waiting be stop loss.
What's your risk management?
Chairman, they don't teach me that one. On me, I just a trade.
You have to use stop loss. Stop loss is used to maximize risk. Like if you are not there, it helps you take you off the market so you don't lose more than you can afford to lose.
So with stop loss now, meaning say my account no go below completely.
Sure, definitely.
I will learn how to use stop loss now.
Do you know that there are things that can help you avoid what just happened now? And one of those two is babypips.com. You can get there, it will help you in position sizing, like the lot size you're supposed to use for your account and the amount of risk you are willing to take. You put in those information, it will help you provide specific figures that will be suitable for your account. And you not lost your account now. Go to babypips.com and thank me later.
Alright, Chairman.
Alright, have a nice day.
Where my guy now?
Havana, you dey look for me?
Blood, you dey leave me?
No call me blood if we no relate. You remember that way they hide for me that time so? See, I don't see person wey go show me and now Oga Forex go show me. They say,
What a
follow who no
catastrophe!
road. And I don't see person wey no road. Now Oga Forex no road. Oga Forex, where they go?